Hey, GhostGap Hosting here. Today we're going to cover how to install mods on your new Hytale server. To start off, we need to activate the plugins on the server, so it's best to make a backup of your files before activating this, as it's not supported and it can cause stability issues. So start by opening the game panel and selecting your Hytale server, and go over to the server options and toggle on the allow plugins. Heading back to console, we'll turn the server on now. This gives us a moment to then go to CurseForge and select the mods that we want to download. Now that these are downloaded, we can see there's two different file types here. One is .zip, the other is .jar. It doesn't really matter which one downloads, both of them are going to work on the server. So heading back to your game panel now, we can then go to the file manager and find the mods folder. Open up the files on your computer in your downloads folder and drag these in one by one to make sure they load onto your server with no issues. So we can drag the mods in one by one here and watch them upload onto the server. And you can see now they're all on here. From there, you can head back to the console and then restart your server. Once the server restarts, your mods will be ready to go. You can log into your server and test it. Remember, if you're having any issues from here, you can reach out to support on our website at www.ghostgap.com.